What happens in human brain when we consciously experience something? It feels like it defines the nature of our existence. Once we fall asleep, in a dreamless sleep, it seems that the world gets turned off for us. When you wake up in the morning, it's like somebody throws you into the world. And somehow our brain generates that world for us. So it's basically asking question of our existence. The illusion that we're using in this experiment is called motion-induced blindness. And in that illusion, participants see a bright yellow dot that is constantly present on the monitor. So the dot is physically there the entire time. However, the rotating blue masks renders this dot imperceptible. So at some points, you might feel like the dot has disappeared of your awareness, even though the dot is physically present on the monitor. And it has been shown that the pupil responds not only to the intensity of light, but also to the perceived brightness. Therefore, we expect the pupil to change size based on what you're consciously perceiving. And then we can take the pupil size as a measure of your conscious experience, independent of your verbal or manual report.
I test the project before it gets to run on anybody else. I troubleshoot it to see if it's working smoothly. I also collect the data and I analyze and interpret the results that I get from the participants. I want to pursue a career in health research, so this is very exciting to me because the question of consciousness is something that nobody can answer. So the fact that I might be able to help, shed some light on it is really exciting, actually.
Ideally, we are hoping to discover the brain areas or mechanisms that generate conscious experience. That's one outcome. And the second outcome is we are hoping to then help patients with disorders of consciousness to be able to communicate with us. That'll be people who are perhaps in a coma or vegetative state. For these people, we don't know if they have any conscious experience because they have no ways of communicating with us. Our research can potentially give them a way of communication, and that way they can tell us directly, hey, I'm aware of my surroundings.